That's where we will see Fox 6 Milwaukee meteorologist Tom Wachs. Tom, so happy you're here with us. Just tell me, are you happy that summer's holding on, or get this over so we can get on to fall right now?
That's a great question, Rick. Great to be with you as well. It's been soggy up here, that's for sure. We had a lot of rain. Now, as you mentioned, we're going to start to warm things up. I mean, talk about a blast of summer coming into the upper Midwest. We're expecting high temperatures in the 80s by this weekend and through about the middle part of next week. So for me, you know what? I'll take that final breath of summer around here because we all know in the upper Midwest what's coming, and it's going to be that cold blast probably by mid-October. The way it's looking right now. So we're going to soak in the heat while we still have it around here.
So, Tom, let's talk about, you guys had, it was, maybe April, we started talking about flash drought that we thought was going to begin to expand across parts of Wisconsin. And it really did. You've had a really dry summer there. You had a lot of moisture the last couple of days. That's really beneficial. But tell me about that. We're at the end of farming season. What happens to all of the farms after having had this dry summer? What were the impacts on agriculture across Wisconsin?
Sure, and that's a great question. So we spoke to farmers around the area, and it was a struggle. I mean, it was really a struggle throughout the growing season. But as we finally started getting some rain into parts of August is when it really started to pick up. And we interviewed some farmers after a big rain who said, this is great because the ground is just soaking it in. It's just sucking up all that water. So actually late in the growing season has been beneficial, at least for our farmers. And you can see we have been in a pretty significant drought, especially away from Lake Michigan into south central and southwestern parts of Wisconsin. Some of our areas here in the southeastern part of the state saw as much as 4 inches of rain in the last 2 days, and we have needed it around here, Rick, so we will soak it in. Now we've got a lot of dry weather coming in for the next several days with that heat.
Yeah, so let's talk about, listen, the Northeast cannot buy a dry weekend, it seems. And you have a really good looking one coming. You got temperatures that are gonna be in the 80s and a lot of sunshine. One thing that we don't ever give enough credit for you guys, I think, is the beautiful fall colors that you guys get across parts of the Northern Plains, Minnesota and Wisconsin. You have gorgeous falls. So tell me what this weekend looks like for people across this area.
Sure, and we really look forward to that around here because I'm telling you, if you've never been to Wisconsin in the fall, it is stunning. You can see some of those pictures there. So this is in Iron County, Wisconsin. This starts in the North Woods where we see the color change this time of year. It works into Milwaukee in the southern part of the state by mid to late October. And I think it's going to be great color season here when we've had the rain. We've also had some cool mornings, and we're also going to get a lot of sunshine coming in over the next couple of days. There you can see the fall foliage, the current conditions here, and it's going to make its way south. So we are really looking forward to the color change over the next couple of weeks. If you get a chance to come up to Wisconsin, we would love to have you because it's going to be beautiful.
Tom, I've actually been to Wisconsin in the fall, and it is spectacular, and I want to join the Chamber of Commerce or something to get people going there and not just the Northeast, especially this year. I think you're going to have an amazing fall in the Northeast, maybe from all the rain not looking so good. Fox 6 meteorologist Tom Wachs, thanks so much for being with us.